In 2025, content creation has evolved like never before. Whether you're just starting your YouTube journey or upgrading your existing setup, having the right gear is essential to deliver top-quality content. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate YouTube setup of 2025, covering every essential component you need, along with the current market prices. Let's start with the camera. For creators who want crisp 4K resolution with fast autofocus and excellent color science, the Sony ZV-E10 II is our top pick. It features interchangeable lenses, a fully articulating screen, and comes in at around $999 with a kit lens. This camera strikes the perfect balance between quality and price, making it ideal for both sit-down and vlog-style content. Pairing it with the right lens is key. The Sigma 16mm f/1.4 lens is a favorite among creators for its wide field of view and beautiful background blur. It's incredibly sharp and performs well in low light. This lens typically costs about $399. Next up is audio, and this is where many creators make or break their content. Clear audio is more important than 4K video, especially for talking head videos. The Rode Wireless PRO system offers crystal clear wireless audio, onboard recording, and dual transmitters for interviews. It's reliable and retails around $399. If you're filming indoors, lighting can dramatically improve your video quality. The Godox SL60W2 is a powerful, silent, and budget-friendly key light. When paired with a softbox, it gives a natural, soft light that flatters your face. This setup comes in at about $199 for the light and softbox combo. Let's talk about tripods and mounting gear. A stable tripod is essential for sharp, shake-free shots. The Ulanzi Zero Y tripod is lightweight, carbon fiber, and super versatile. It costs about $149, but the build quality is unmatched for the price. Add a boom arm or desktop tripod if you're doing a desk set. Ship a budget around $50 for those. For streaming or screen recording, a high-quality webcam is still a must for quick work. The Elgato Facecam MK2 offers DSLR-level image quality without the hassle of mirrorless setups. It retails for around $199 and plugs directly into your PC via USB-C. Speaking of Elgato, a Stream Deck can massively streamline your workflow, especially if you're live streaming, podcasting, or editing. The Elgato Stream Deck Plus now includes dials and a touch screen, and costs around $199. It's a luxury, but once you start using it, it's hard to go back. Now, your editing machine needs to keep up. In 2025, the best value goes to the MacBook Air M3. Offering incredible performance and battery life in a thin, fanless design. For video editing, go for the 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD version, which is priced around $1,299. If you prefer Windows, look at the Asus Zephyrus G14 with Ryzen 9. Priced at about $1,599. To monitor your footage in real time or for dual screen editing, a second monitor helps. The LG Ultra-Fine 4K 27-inch display offers stunning colors and sharpness, ideal for creators. It's about $449, but a great investment. Don't forget about software. Most creators will need Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro for video editing or expect a subscription for Adobe at $20.99 per month or a one-time fee of $299 for Final Cut. Finally, let's cover a few extras. A reliable external SSD like the Samsung T91TB is around $129. A quality green screen setup can be had for about $79 if you want to try virtual backgrounds. And of course, a good chair and desk for comfort, a budget about $200 to $300 combined depending on your taste. Let's break it down quickly. Camera, Sony ZV-E10-2A $999. Lens, Sigma 16mm f/1.4A $399. Audio, Rode Wireless PROA $399. Lighting, Godox SL60W2 Plus Softbox A $199. Tripod, Ulanzi Zero YA $149. Webcam, Elgato Facecam MK2A $199. Stream Deck Plus, $199. Laptop/PC, MacBook Air M3A $1,299. Monitor, LG Ultra-Fine 4K A $449. Editing software, Final Cut Pro A $299, one-time. SSD, Samsung T9A $129. Desk chair, $300 total, approximately $5,000. Of course, you can scale this up or down depending on your needs. If you're a beginner, you could start with just the camera, mic, and lighter. Those are the pillars of quality content. That's it for this complete 2025 YouTube setup guide. Let me know in the comments which part of your setup you're most excited to upgrade this year, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creator gear reviews and tips.